If you're over 75 and still relying on eggs as your main source for bone and joint health, there's something important you should know. A highly experienced orthopedic specialist with more than 3 decades in the field recently revealed insights that surprised even many healthcare professionals. He shared that there are 4 simple powders, many of which are already found in everyday kitchens, that can help support bones, joints, and muscle function in ways most older adults don't realize. When used properly, these powders may help the body absorb and use nutrients more efficiently than eggs alone, especially as the body ages and digestion slows down. Take a moment to think about it. Eggs have always been known as a great source of protein, and they certainly still have value. However, after the age of 75, the body doesn't process nutrients the same way it used to. Bone density decreases, joints lose flexibility, and muscles don't respond as strongly to protein intake as before. This is why many experts are now focusing on natural powder nutrients. These powders often contain concentrated minerals, amino acids, and beneficial compounds in forms that may be easier for the aging body to absorb and use effectively. In this video, we'll uncover 4 powerful powders that may help improve bone and joint health after 75, starting from the least impactful to the most effective. And number 2 is especially surprising, even to experienced doctors, because it's affordable, easy to find, and packed with nutrients that support mobility and strength. Before we get started, here's a quick question for you. How old are you? Share your age in the comments. I personally read them and try to reply whenever I can. Now, let's begin with powder number 4, the first simple ingredient that could help support stronger bones and joints as you age. Number 4, Moringa leaf powder. Now we're stepping into something truly remarkable, and surprisingly, many people over 75 have never even heard of it. Moringa leaf powder comes from the leaves of the moringa tree, often called the drumstick tree, which grows in regions of Asia and Africa. For generations, it has been used in traditional practices to support bone strength and overall vitality. But only in recent years has modern research started to highlight its real potential. Here's something that might surprise you. Gram for gram, moringa powder contains significantly more calcium than milk. That really challenges what many of us have believed for years, that dairy and eggs are the ultimate sources for bone health. What makes moringa even more interesting is its nutrient combination. Along with calcium, it provides magnesium, phosphorus, and vitamin K2, all essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Because calcium alone isn't enough. Without magnesium, your body struggles to properly utilize calcium. And without vitamin K2, calcium may not be directed to your bones as effectively. Research has also explored its impact on bone health in older adults. In one study involving seniors with reduced bone density, those who included moringa powder in their daily routine showed noticeable improvements compared to those who did not. But that's not all. Moringa also contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce joint discomfort. As we age, inflammation becomes a major factor behind joint stiffness and cartilage wear, so this added benefit is especially important. If you want to try moringa powder, you can start with 1 teaspoon per day. It can be mixed into warm water, smoothies, or even soups. After about a week, you can increase it to 2 teaspoons daily. It has a mild, slightly earthy taste, somewhat similar to green tea. For better absorption, it's helpful to take it with a meal that includes healthy fats like olive oil or avocado. This helps your body make better use of fat-soluble nutrients. When buying moringa powder, look for high-quality options made from gently dried leaves rather than heavily processed ones. Proper storage is also important. Keep it in a cool, dark place and try to use it within a few months after opening. This simple green powder can be a powerful addition to support bone and joint health, especially as the body's needs change with age. Number 3, collagen peptide powder. If there's one powder many orthopedic experts strongly recommend for people over 75, it's collagen peptide powder. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body, making up nearly 30% of your total protein. It acts as the structural foundation for your bones, tendons, ligaments, and cartilage, essentially the glue that holds your body together. However, there's a catch. After the age of 30, your body gradually produces less collagen each year. By the time you reach 75, natural collagen production can drop by around as far compared to your younger years. This decline plays a major role in weaker bones, stiff joints, and slower recovery from injuries. While eggs do provide protein, they contain very little collagen. That's where collagen peptide powder stands out. Research on older adults has shown promising results. In one long-term study, individuals over 70 who took collagen peptides daily experienced noticeable improvements in bone strength, while those who didn't actually saw a decline. This suggests collagen doesn't just slow bone loss. It may help support bone density over time. There's more. Another study focusing on joint health found that people taking collagen peptides daily reported significantly less joint pain during movement within a few months. Some experts even noted that the results were comparable to certain medications, but without the common side effects. So what makes collagen peptides special? It comes down to absorption. Collagen peptides are broken down into smaller units through a process called hydrolysis. These tiny fragments are much easier for your body to absorb and deliver directly to bones and joints. Even more interesting, they act as signals that encourage your body to produce more of its own collagen. In other words, you're not just adding collagen, you're helping your body rebuild it. For best results, around 10 grams per day is commonly recommended. You can take it in the morning or before bed. Both are times when your body naturally focuses on repair. It mixes easily into coffee, tea, or smoothies and is usually tasteless. When choosing a product, look for hydrolyzed collagen from high-quality sources like grass-fed bovine or marine origins. Marine collagen is especially rich in type I collagen, which is important for bones, while bovine sources offer a mix of type I and III. One important tip: combine collagen with vitamin C. Your body needs vitamin C to properly build new collagen. Without it, much of the benefit may be lost. Something as simple as adding a squeeze of lemon to your drink can make a big difference. This makes collagen peptide powder one of the most powerful tools for supporting bones and joints as you age. Number 2, bone broth protein powder. Now we're getting close to the top, and this next powder has a long history. It was used for supporting bone health centuries before modern medicine even existed. Bone broth protein powder is made by slowly simmering animal bones, typically from chicken or beef, for an extended period, then turning that nutrient-rich liquid into a concentrated powder. The result is a powerful blend of minerals, amino acids, and natural compounds that become especially important after the age of 75. Each serving provides key minerals like calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, along with trace elements such as boron. What makes this unique is that these nutrients come from real bone sources, not synthetic lab-made versions, which may make them easier for the body to recognize and absorb. Research has suggested that minerals from bone-based sources can be absorbed more efficiently than some traditional supplements. This can be particularly helpful for older adults, since nutrient absorption tends to decline with age. One of the standout components in bone broth protein powder is glycine, an amino acid derived from gelatin. Glycine plays an important role in supporting bone repair and overall tissue health. Studies have shown that diets rich in glycine-containing proteins may support faster recovery and improve bone strength in older individuals. There's also evidence that combining collagen, minerals, and natural compounds found in bone broth may create a synergistic effect, meaning they work better together than individually. This makes bone broth protein powder a well-rounded option for supporting bones and joints. To use it, 1 to 2 scoops daily is commonly suggested, providing a good amount of protein along with beneficial nutrients. You can mix it into warm water for a light, savory drink, or add it to soups, stews, or even smoothies. For better results, pairing it with vitamin D can be helpful, as vitamin D supports proper absorption of calcium and other minerals. Taking it with meals may also improve how well your body utilizes these nutrients. When choosing a product, look for options made from high-quality, responsibly sourced animal bones. It's also wise to check that the product has been tested for purity and safety. Bone broth protein powder is a traditional yet powerful option that supports bone strength, joint function, and overall mobility, especially as nutritional needs change with age. Number 1. Calcium hydroxyapatite powder. Here it is, the top powder on this list, and the one many experts consider a major breakthrough for bone health in recent years. Calcium hydroxyapatite isn't just another calcium supplement. It's the same mineral form that makes up the majority of your actual bone structure. Unlike common calcium forms, your body doesn't need to convert it. It's already in the exact form your bones use. As we age, especially after 75, the body becomes less efficient at converting and absorbing nutrients. That's why this form stands out. It provides what your bones need in a ready-to-use state. Research comparing different types of calcium has shown that hydroxyapatite may support better improvements in bone density than standard calcium supplements. Some studies have also suggested it can help improve the internal structure of bones, which plays a key role in reducing fracture risk. What makes it especially powerful is that it's not just calcium alone. It naturally includes phosphorus and other bone-supporting compounds that work together as a complete system, rather than a single isolated nutrient. A helpful way to think about it is this. Regular calcium is like delivering raw materials, while hydroxyapatite provides something closer to a finished building block your body can use more easily. For best results, many people split their intake into 2 doses per day, taken with meals to improve absorption. It can be mixed into water or other drinks, making it easy to include in your routine. To maximize its effectiveness, it's important to pair it with vitamin D3 and vitamin K2. These nutrients help guide calcium into your bones and support proper utilization. Without them, even the best calcium source may not perform as well. When choosing a product, look for high-quality forms such as microcrystalline hydroxyapatite concentrate, often labeled MCHC. These retain more of the natural bone components that contribute to effectiveness. Consistency is key. Taking it daily and storing it properly in a cool, dry place helps maintain its quality. And there you have it, 4 powerful, research-supported powders that may offer more targeted support for bones and joints than relying on eggs alone after 75. From natural plant-based options to advanced bone-specific nutrients, each one brings something unique to the table. Even starting with one of them could make a meaningful difference over time. If you found this helpful and want more content like this to support your health, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching.